Today, I'm going to take you to the town of Ketchikan, and I'm going to give you a bunch of interesting facts about the town. But first, we just jumped off the cruise ship, and we're going to head down the boardwalk. So you get off right at the dock here, and you just come along, you walk all that way. It's not even that long. And you go up the ramp. That brings you right out on the main street. Okay, this is just the boardwalk. So if you want to go to Creek Street and the Lumberjack Show and all of that stuff, you got to go the other way. There is the Luton Ballard, which is the ship I will be on, the little crab fisherman tour from the Deadliest Catch. There's our cruise ship, and I am headed back this way. That boat right there was the Luton Ballard, which is well known on the Discovery Channel show, The Deadliest Catch. Make sure you go check out my latest video on that. So when you get off the cruise ship, you're going to find these little panels of information about the town. They're an interesting read, so if you go by them, make sure to stop and check them out. Ketchikan is known as Alaska's first city due to its location of the southern tip of the Inside Passage. It is the first city you reach as you cruise north, and for many visitors, their first introduction to the beauty and majesty of Alaska. Ketchikan is just 90 miles north of Prince Rupert, British Columbia. It hugs the bluffs that form the shoreline along the southwest corner of Rivagagio Island. Here's some Ketchikan history for you. The Tlingit, Haida, and Tishaman people have lived in southeastern Alaska for over 10,000 years, and their arts and culture and history can be seen throughout Ketchikan. The town of Ketchikan was founded as a salmon cannery site in 1885, and for years the city was known as the canned salmon capital of the world. Logging became an important industry as well, and when the cruise ships started exploring the waters and the Inside Passage, Ketchikan naturally became a popular port of call. Ketchikan is used by cruise ships, freighters, fishing boats, and ferries that weaves through the group of islands on the Pacific coast of North America. Ketchikan is surrounded by the 17 million acre Tongass National Forest, the largest in the United States. Tongass is managed by the United States Forest Service from headquarters in downtown Ketchikan. Ketchikan has a moderate rainforest climate with record temperatures of 89 degrees in the summer and -1 in the winter. So they have these little park areas that you can go in and out. They're just off the side of the street. It says adopt a park, so I'm sure if you adopt it, your room will be up there. And then you can back out on the regular sidewalk. Okay, it looks like we might be coming up on Creek Street. Another totem pole. Some more shops down there. It stretches 31 miles long, but never more than 10 blocks wide. Ketchikan is centered on Tongass Avenue. On one side of the avenue, many businesses and homes are built on stilts over the water, while the other side, they cling to the steep slopes and often have winding wooden staircases leading to their doors. The city of Ketchikan is named after Ketchikan Creek, which flows through the town and is filled with salmon each summer. This is Creek Street. There's the creek. Oh, there's some little duckies in the water down there. Very pretty. There's one shop. So it's like a tiny shop. And then we come over to this side. $1 a little bit slower. Not really, but it is kind of. I see some fish in there. I wonder if those are salmon. So this is really cute. So we're going to walk through here and take some pictures. Tell you what Creek Street's all about. Okay, let's take a break. The name Ketchikan comes from the Tlingit name for the creek, Ketchikan. Its abundant fish and timber resources attracted non-natives to the area. The first fish cannery opened in 1886 near the mouth of Ketchikan Creek. There was then a Ketchikan post office established in 1892. And on August 25, 1900, the town of Ketchikan was officially incorporated with a population of 800. Okay, we're a little bit further down now. By 1936, 7 more canneries were opened, producing 1.5 million cases of salmon annually. Residents and visitors still fish along Ketchikan Creek, which was once the red light district of Ketchikan. The wooden boardwalk was built on pilings over Ketchikan Creek. Between 1903 and 1953, as many as 30 brothels lined either side of the creek. Okay, we're going to continue to walk on through to the other side. Walk on through to the other side. In the early 1900s, Ketchikan also became a supply center for logging in southeast Alaska. The need for lumber and packing boxes spawned the Ketchikan Spruce Mills in 1903 and operated for 70 years. Ketchikan has the world's largest collection of standing totem poles. You can see them throughout the city and at several different parks around the area. One of the zip codes for Ketchikan is 99950. It is the highest numbered zip code in the United States. Okay, now we're almost at Ketchikan, Creek Street. This is Creek Street from the other side. Very cute little area, so if you're around this area, make sure you get over here and check it out. Okay, we are in Ketchikan. This is the boardwalk. Being carried off again today. We have had an ambulance at every single port. I hope you enjoyed my video today on the Ketchikan, Alaska cruise port and the surrounding areas. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. And remember, it's up to you to make it fun and make it yours. We'll see you the next time.